Hi, Brian.
Hi Larry, how are you?
I'm doing great. First of all, thank you for hopping on this call. How are you doing?
Of course. Good, good. I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. So the main purpose of this call is if you can share a little bit about what you do and a little bit of background on how you help with your services and products and see how you have benefited from us. That would be helpful for our visitors, our viewers who are considering or trying to see um, what the partnership looks like once they uh, decide to work with us. So if you can share a little bit more on your background on what you do, that would be helpful. Yeah.
Absolutely. No, thanks, Larry. I'm Bryan Torres. I do marketing assistance for Voler Systems. And Voler is dedicated in the engineering services and tech field company. And so a little bit more on my responsibilities is business development and a little more on the marketing side. And so a lot of the things that I focus on is day-to-day activities of prospecting, emailing, and also a lot of cold calling efforts. And even with other campaigns, gifting campaigns that happen seasonal as of now. And so a lot of that requires some diligence, some lead generation activities, and being able to stay in touch and follow up and coming up with different strategies in terms of offering engineering content and also trying to see who's the next CEO, CTO, or a project manager who might want to work with us and being able to integrate any sensors, firmware development, or create the next prototype, that might just launch into the market in the next few years. And so yeah, I've been pleasant to work with you, Larry. It's been great, helping us with those motives and intentions. And so, but yeah, it's a little bit of what I do now. My background is in sales and marketing, so it's what I'm doing today for Voler Systems. And so I've been with the company for about a year and a half, and it's been quite an adventure and being able to be in the tech space and seeing what comes up, what's not a fit as of now. And so, but yeah, it's been a pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah. So what were you trying to solve, when you found our service or before we start working together? What is the main problem that you were trying to solve, basically?
Yes. So the main problem that we were trying to solve is increasing the amount of leads that we get.
Mhm.
And this could be in a weekly basis or even monthly basis. And so with that, that was one of our pain points. As we are a company that's very small, and so we have about 50 to 55 people in the company. So being a small company dictates that we have a small budget as well. And so a lot of the times, what comes with that is having that goal of having that need to be able to connect with more people. And I think, working with you, Larry, that increase the amount of connections and increase the amount of partnerships, not just on the lead generation side, but also being able to connect with other companies that might just need of our engineering.
Yeah. So,
Mhm.
what results have you seen so far since we started working together?
Yes. So a lot of the results we've been seeing, it's been great, and they're super positive. It's great interactions when you get on the phone call, when you get in the meeting with somebody who's highly interested and wanting to know more about our information, about what we offer to the industry that they're in. And then also, being able to see if how we can help them. So a lot of the times we can help them from the engineering side, but being able to help them, and connecting them to a potential investor, potential person who does manufacturing. And so since we're a company that we're highly connected and networked with different partners out in the Silicon Valley, that's one of our key priorities, making sure we bring a solution to our key prospect.
Yeah. So, what has exceeded your expectations, since working with us?
Yes, so I think what exceeded our expectations was like the high lead count.
Hmm.
I think just increasing our leads and also being able to um, see, the kind of connections that we can connect with. So, and a lot of these people are product development people, people who are in the engineering side, also in the research and development departments. And so, and I think that's our bread and butter, being able to see what kind of projects and are there, and what kind of contacts are there handling those projects, so that we can see if we can help them.
Yeah. So here's
Mhm.
my final question. So what would you tell someone who is considering our business or partner with us?
I would tell them, that Larry at Lead Flow is the guy to go with. They're the company who might just be able to help them out as well as they did with us. And so, I definitely recommend.